Hi everyone, I am here with another coding question from Accenture Drive. This question is collected from the students from the recent placement drive happened at our college. So this is reconstructed from the statements given by the students and the example given by them. This example seems to be given as sample test case in the examination. Okay, let us try to understand the problem. It is about educated and uneducated people. There are n people given in the form of a string and some are educated and some are uneducated. Educated people are marked with the status 1 and uneducated people are marked with the status 0. An uneducated person should gain knowledge from nearby educated person and the cost is calculated as number of positions required to reach to an educated person. Find the minimum cost required to make all uneducated people gain knowledge from educated people. The example given is 100,100. So from this example we can see that there are 2 educated people and 4 uneducated people. The first uneducated person can gain knowledge from 2 people. One is the one immediately left to him or the one who is away from him by 2 positions. By 2 positions. Out of these 2 options, which is the best option he can have? Immediately going to one position towards left and reaching to the educated person. So that is the minimum cost for him. Then you take the next one, second uneducated person. For him, either going towards left by 2 positions or going towards right by 1 position. Which is the best option for him? Going towards right by one position. Now, up to now, what is the total cost involved? 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now coming to the third uneducated person. Third uneducated person can immediately go to left one position. That is one best option. And another option possible is he can go to first educated person. The best option is he has to go to second educated person and the cost involved is 1. Next, for the last uneducated person, the nearby person is this second educated person and the cost involved is 2 steps. Totally 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 5. So this is the problem given and we have to write solution for this one. Let us attempt to write the solution. So let us read the input from the user. The input is in the form of a string. So I will just write input statement. The next thing is I will take 2 variables, ed position. Ed position means position of the educated people. Initially I will assume like empty and I will take another list uned POS. Uned position, that means uneducated people's position. I will take that also as empty. Then I will run a for loop on the string yes and I will separate the positions of educated people and uneducated people. For I in yes, if I equal to 1, that means he is an educated person. Sorry, as I need to take positions, let me do like this. For I in range, len of yes, if s of I equal to 1, collect this position. This position belongs to educated people, educated person. Edpos dot append I. Else means, what does this mean? If it is the case of uneducated person, its position is to be sent to uned pos dot append I. Okay, now we have gathered the positions of educated people and uneducated people. Then Next, let us consider now for every uneducated people, in uneducated person, we have to check the nearby educated person. So we have to collect all the distances, and out of all those distances we have to pick the minimum one. For this one I will be taking like for I in uned POS. Then I will be considering one min cost, one variable min cost. Min cost I will assume like len of s. Why? Because we can't go beyond this maximum distance or maximum position. So I am assuming min cost equal to len of s. Then I will be taking the positions of educated people. For I in, sorry, for j in ed pos. Now I will be reconsidering this min cost by taking the minimum of min cost and the absolute value between I minus, sorry, the absolute value of I minus j. So why I am considering I minus j is, I minus j is the distance between uneducated person and educated person. That could happen, the distance may be towards left or towards right. If it is right, it will be positive. If it is towards left, it will be negative. So that's why I am considering absolute value of it. Then this min will be finding the minimum cost, minimum of it, minimum cost and the absolute value, that will be updated to min cost. Then I must consider one more variable, that is sum. We have to collect all these sum of all these minimum costs. No, for that we need to take sum equal to 0. Now after this j loop, what I will do is sum equal to sum plus min cost. Sum is sum plus min cost. Okay. Finally, print sum. So this is the code. Let me explain this again. We will read the input in the form of a string. Then I am creating two lists, two empty lists, educated people's positions and uneducated people's positions. Then if the status is 1, I will update that position to educated people's positions, and if status is 0, I will update that to uneducated people's positions. Then I am assuming sum equal to 0. Sum is nothing but the total minimum cost to make all uneducated people educated. Sorry, all uneducated people gain the knowledge from educated people. So that sum is initially assumed as 0. Then for every uneducated person, we have to find the nearby educated person, and that nearby educated person is to be the best option. So for that reason, at first I am assuming the nearby educated person's distance is equal to length of s. I am assuming min cost to maximum value, and then for j in position, sorry, for j in ed position, min cost equal to min of min cost comma absolute value of I minus j. So if absolute value of I minus j is lesser than min cost will be updated to absolute value of I minus j. Then after this j loop, update this sum with sum equal to sum plus min cost. Then finally display sum. So if our code is correct, we must get the output 5 for the sample input that is given in the exam 100 100. Let us try with that example. Yeah. Let me give the input 1 0 0 1 0 0. Oh, there is some error. The error here is I have considered capital S. Here I have given small s. Yeah, done. The error is rectified. Let me give the input again 1 0 0 1 0 0. What is the output we must get? 5. Yes, exactly. This is what we are expected to give. Yes, it is working. We can consider another example. For example, say 1 0 0 1 1 1. So here there are only two uneducated people. The cost of this must be, the minimum cost of this must be 2. Yes, it is working fine. I hope you understood this code. If you want, if you want to have this code, you can pause the screen and you can have the code. And try to analyze this with pen and paper, then you can easily understand this. Okay, thank you.